afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are with Cookie and Max in their beautiful 1971 SILVERCREST ground set double wide here in the Highlands at Brentwood. And it's a 24 by 64. It's a huge place, and there's even room additions on that. But I thought it would be neat to meet the sellers. They're from Vancouver, British Columbia, and they've been here for, what, about 10 years, you say? So what brought you to the Highlands?
I have a cousin who lives in Mesa.
The sunshine.
Yeah, so was this your first experience in Arizona owning this property?
Yes.
So how did you find the Highlands?
Oh, loved it. Lots of activity. The neighbors are great. Lots of friends. The hardest thing is to leave.
Yeah.
It's a sense of community. And there's all sorts of whole variety of activities that there's going to be something that interests a person.
And it's not a monstrous park. I think there's only 250 units, so you get to know almost everybody here.
Mm-hmm.
The streets are wide, there's spaces between the rooms.
Yeah, you can make a U-turn on the street.
Yeah, they do have really wide streets.
Yes, they do. Which was the major attraction.
Yeah, for sure. And you guys have a great location too. You're like directly across the street from the pool and the shuffleboard
And the clubhouse.
and a few steps from the 9-hole golf course.
Yes.
Do you guys golf?
No,
No,
Well,
but your friends do.
We both have bad shoulders.
but we can get there on our crutches.
So
We were younger when we came.
yes, and there's a lot of neat things. I could spend hours just looking through your books, and you're quite the poet. I was very fortunate to get some books for the last time I was here given to me, and I've had a chance to kind of go through some of the poetry, and I have to read it about 5 times.
Well, now you have captured my heart.
Well, you have a definite way with words, and you guys have a neat story too of being kind of teenage sweethearts at some point, and then each of you going on into your lives and life.
I brought her here so she'd have a roof over her head.
I doubt that. I think she'd always have a roof over her head. But what do you say? You're much married? Is that the terminology?
Much married to Cookie.
Yes. And the only one that competes a little bit is that lady on the wall, right? But that's actually Cookie, right?
She's going to turn any minute. Who knows what we will see?
And that picture does not stay with the home. No.
She's coming home with us.
Yeah. But you are leaving it pretty well furnished.
Yes.
And just look around here at some of the furnishings. So you're going to leave the sofa and the love seat. Mm-hmm. Nice big living room, and you can kind of see through the screens there. You can actually see the shuffleboard courts, and the entrance to the pool is over there.
Yeah.
Beautiful big formal dining room area with
Two
the...
leaves.
Oh, okay. And that doesn't...
Only one.
One leaf.
One leaf. But that doesn't have the leaf in it currently.
No.
Yeah, so plenty of
And
space.
there's a cover that goes over it when you've got, including the leaf.
Mm-hmm. And I hear the holiday parties are here.
Yes.
You've got the seating for everybody. And Cookie, didn't you say that you just had the vertical blinds installed too?
Yes, they were just installed.
And the
And
flooring.
the floor.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, I've got the laminate throughout except the bedrooms.
I wanted comfort for my feet.
So we have
in the winter.
carpet in the bedroom.
Uh-huh. And the floor covering, the carpets are not going to be included,
No.
right? You're going to be
This
taking
is
them.
antique Iranian.
Yeah,
Of
it's
course,
beautiful.
we're always open to offers, but
Yeah, if somebody's interested in it.
High-priced article.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. Well, why don't you guys, why don't we go look through the home, and you can go through some of the improvements that you've made. What's your favorite?
want to buy my book?
Oh, there we go. Get you some free press there. Hero in my own eyes. I love it. Yeah, I mean, it's just amazing what you've done in your life, Max. I was reading some of your bio, and very amazing. I get to meet the neatest people when I'm shooting these videos and learn about them. So
It has to do with survival.
Okay, he'll take you around.
come on, too.
He enjoys that.
Okay.
So This is my office
Yeah.
Put your lights on.
where I command my millions. And
So who plays the keyboard?
Me.
Wow. A lot of talent in this family.
Busy.
that's where I did all the ceramics here
Right
in
here.
this place.
Wow. So they have quite the ceramics group here then, huh?
Yes, that's
Yes.
right.
Yeah, that's great.
There's a whole craft room with every craft you can imagine.
Mm-hmm. Why don't we go through the kitchen real quick and then we'll let Max
Okay.
take us through the rest of the
This
place.
is a breakfast nook
Mm-hmm.
or a desk, whatever somebody would like.
It looks impeccably clean, but it isn't like that all the time.
Well, I was here when you weren't expecting anybody, so it was pretty clean when I came by last week.
She's
I mean,
very
clutter,
kind.
clutter.
She's really kind.
No, it was very clean, and you have lots of counter space here. You've got the cooktop, and then there's a double oven.
Yeah, electric cooktop, and this is gas
Mm-hmm.
with a warmer.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So you got the warmer in the oven above,
Yep.
and then the dishwasher.
Dishwasher, which is brand new, full of. And there's a light above.
Yeah. And didn't you say that the taps have been?
Yeah, that's a new tap, new garberator.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's great, and lots of storage.
lots.
So that's kind of your pantry area right there.
Yes, this is food pantry. It's huge, and the drawers come out.
Oh yeah. Oh, so it's got the sliding drawers.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And on the pots also, the drawers come out. This one, they come out.
Oh yeah. That's really handy.
Yeah.
And then what's that over there? Is that where your washer and dryer are?
No, the washer and dryer used to be in here for the original owner, and they're now outside because
In the shed.
Yeah,
Okay.
because
Let's go ahead and open that up so they can see. Do you just use that for additional storage then? Oh yeah. That's amazing.
It's lots of storage.
Yes. And then there's
So-
more storage here. Is that an additional pantry area?
This is a pantry.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So if you're a crafter, these two are perfect.
Yes, for sure. Okay, good. Let's go on back to the rest of the house. Now, Max, you had a new air conditioning installed too in
And
2016.
hot air tank and furnace, yeah.
Okay, so the furnace has been replaced, water heater,
Yep.
and the air conditioning. Nice big second
The only
bedroom.
problem with this, the people come here, they want to stay.
I bet they do. So is that a king bed?
Yes.
King, yeah.
Yeah, that's plenty of room for a king bed. And now you're leaving the bed.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Cookie, what about like the linens and stuff? Are you going to be leaving the linens as well?
With the bed, yeah.
Okay. And the dresser or the chest of drawers?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can discuss the furnishings if people want.
Okay. Yeah, a lot of people do like them furnished. And then this is the second guest bath.
Yeah,
Yes.
Lovely shower
Got
here.
it.
Walk-in shower.
Great shower,
Yeah.
great pressure.
Yep, and you got the simulated marble sink with the extended vanity with the base drawers.
New toilet.
Oh, is it? Okay, is that a high rise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And then you've got the trifold medicine cabinet, a box lighting feature, and then a walk-in shower. Oh, and you've got more storage back here too.
Yeah. Yeah. And feather quilts in case it gets cold.
Yeah. Wow.
In case.
Boy, just storage everywhere you
That's
turn.
wonderful.
And another king bed.
Right. This is where the master is.
Yeah.
With the walk-in closet.
Uh-huh.
Mirrored.
Wardrobe doors.
Right.
Yeah. And then you also had the walls spackled, correct? It used to have the paneling.
Yes, I didn't like the paneling. so-
Yeah, and it lights it up quite a bit. So I have a question. How did you guys get back in touch after all those years?
I went after her.
How did you find her?
I've always been in contact with her. She didn't know, but
Aww.
His sister.
Aww.
I wasn't going to let her get away. I tried 30 years before, but it didn't work. I came back again after 55 years.
Wow. So that's the true spirit of following. That was way before Twitter.
Way before Twitter.
Way before Twitter. So how long have you guys been married now?
11 years.
Oh,
11 years in December.
oh, so wonderful. What a neat story. And then this is the master. Oh, you've got a vanity here.
Yeah.
It doesn't come off the wall. It stays.
Uh-huh, built in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then you've got the double sinks with the simulated marble again and the base drawers. And one-piece tub and shower. So if somebody wants the shower and the tub, you've got both in this property.
Right.
Yep. And you've got ceiling fans. And then when was the last time you had the roof coated?
It would be 2 years ago.
Okay, great. And then now, Cookie, you guys have an Arizona room too.
Yes.
Let's go out there.
Plenty of storage.
Lots of storage. There's even another closet here we didn't even open.
Oh, this was where we put our winter coats.
Oh, that's nice to have a coat closet.
And you can smell mothballs.
Yep, and that's where you keep your ironing board. Well, that's really handy.
Well, if you sew, you need an ironing board.
Yep.
So because I do so many crafts, sewing, painting, cards.
Wow.
So it's all over. This is my daughter. She's a teacher and she's doing her homework. So this is, these are outside chairs. There's a spare rollaway.
Oh, okay.
And this is another cupboard.
There's an air conditioner
Uh-huh, right in here.
For this room alone.
in the patio.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is very nice to have this for... Boy, you could have some really good parties here.
We have.
This thing flew off the table.
Oh my. Beautiful.
So, what made you guys decide to sell?
Well, I have to have surgery on my foot and I'm waiting for a cornea in one eye. So we don't know how long that will take or whether I'll be able to walk again.
Mm-hmm.
So,
But if you have a chance to come back and rent, maybe you can do
Oh, we
that.
would. We
You know,
would.
you certainly have a lot of
Yeah.
friends out here that would
Yeah, we
scout
do.
around, and you could probably stay with them.
Yeah,
I'm
I
sure
think
that
so.
would be fine. Yes.
yeah.
And nice barbecue. The barbecue stays.
Yes.
Okay.
Unless they don't want it.
Sure. Most people love barbecues. And here's the new RHEEM air conditioner. Hopefully Max catches up with me out here. He's got this all set up for workshop, and you can see Paul and Ula's place. That's in the process of being sold right now. They're friends with Paul and Ula. This is pretty handy out here. So do you use this as like a workspace
That's
then?
where we do our work, yeah.
Yeah.
Painting and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Come on.
Wow.
Okay, and there's storage again.
I have a kiln here.
Oh, you have your own kiln. Wow.
The neighbors have a patio.
I know. I was just mentioning because they've seen the videos of Paul and Ula's place, and I mentioned that you're a neighbor of theirs.
Oh, it's our fault.
Okay. Well, let's go into the storage area.
Okay, I've stuffed stuff in there so that the kitchen could look good.
That's okay.
And here we have this, what do you call that light?
Fluorescent light. And then you have the hanging lines.
Yeah, and this is a cupboard full of stuff.
Uh-huh.
And then there's,
That's great. And you have a wash basin right in here. Full
Tools.
size. Full size washer and dryer.
this is the blower. So you blow your house, dust off your house, or the pine needles.
Sure.
Spare tank.
Yeah.
If somebody wants the car, we'll talk about it too.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You had mentioned that you were open to selling the car, either with or without the place.
Right. It's a 92 Volvo. It's phenomenal.
Is the Bud Light included?
The Bud Light is included.
So, yeah, Max, tell us a little bit about the car. They would have to deal with you directly on that because I'm not licensed to sell cars, but,
It's Cookie's car,
okay.
and it's venerable. It is as is, but it runs beautifully.
What year is it?
92.
Okay. How many miles?
126.
Looks like it's in really good shape. Do you have an idea of what you're wanting for it yet?
I have no idea.
Okay, well, you know, we can add that later. And if somebody's interested, they can give you a call directly on that.
Right.
And this is plenty of space for up to 2-car parking, and even a golf cart
Yes.
would fit. Yeah. Yeah, and you just...
The sun is included.
Oh, the sun is good. That's really neat. I should buy that from you. That looks like my logo on my cards.
There you are.
Yeah, it does. All right. Well, we might negotiate on the sun.
And those are Max's turtles.
Aw. So all
They're pulling the house forward.
That's great.
They
Well,
made much progress.
yeah. Well, it's just a beautiful place. And is that metal or vinyl siding, Max?
Metal.
It's metal. Okay. And you've got the window awnings, and again, the clubhouse is just right here, right next.
And there's a gym.
Yeah, they have really nice exercise facilities here.
Every 2-3 days.
Yeah, that's great. And you've got the gutters with
Yeah.
the downspouts.
This
And do
place
you have
definitely makes you live longer.
I believe that. I
Yeah.
believe that. And what about any fruit trees?
Yes, 2 orange trees. Both those.
Are they edible or juicing?
No, they're edible.
Oh, that's great. All right. Well, I think we've covered most of the upgrades. You have the new AC, furnace, water heater, laminate floor covering, the new blinds, the verticals, the new taps in the bathrooms.
Recently covered
Carburetor.
roof.
Yep, the recently recoated roof. Yep. And furnishings are negotiable.
Yeah, and the gutters have just been cleaned.
That's good. That's important.
Yes, yes. We didn't know that when we first came.
Yeah.
It was a couple years before we realized
Yeah.
what's wrong with
So
this.
they're coming to do the maintenance on the air conditioning in a day or 2.
Oh, good. Okay. And we're going to get a termite inspection, and just beautiful place, great story, wonderful people. If you're interested in this property, then you can call me at 480-299-7236. The web reference number on this property is BH278ME. Make sure to click subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do upload these videos first to our YouTube channel before they go on any other website. So if you're a subscriber and you request notifications by clicking the little bell icon right by the subscribe button, then you'll get notified as soon as these videos come up. But they're asking $29,900. They may be negotiable. They are anxious to sell. Their neighbors are in the process of selling and very good friends with them, and they've just decided it's time. So looks like we have a coated, painted covered patio. There's rear covered patio, Arizona room. Actually, three covered patios. It's just amazing property. So yeah, great place, brand new on the market. And see if there's anything else that they want to say. So you're gonna be sorry to see these folks go?
You betcha.
Yeah, I
Now
bet.
We're gonna miss them.
I bet. They're amazing, magical personalities.
We're going to come and visit them.
That's good. I'm sure you've got lots of people be more than happy to have you come and stay. Is there anything else that we
You know
haven't
what?
covered?
There's so many offers, we don't even need a place.
Yeah,
We can
you
just
wouldn't.
go from house to house.
Yeah, really. That's actually a good way to go. All right. Well, we're going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for the interview, and
Thank you.
congratulations on so much love in your marriage.
And thank you.
Thank you.